Interesting. We have in Jackson an enclave of wealth and comfort, and only a few dozen miles away we have the most wild, most remote wilderness in the lower 48, the Yellowstone Plateau. Now, if you're thinking of Old Faithful, well, we'll get back to that later. But first, contemplate the backcountry. Bachelor Falls, the thoroughfare, Two Oceans Peak, where water flows west to the Pacific and east to the Atlantic. If you venture here into this wilderness, beyond the reach of cell phones and, well, television, it will change you. Sparkling streams, herds of elk, streaming plume spawning trouts, howling wolves, cragging ridges, soaring hawks, dense forests, lurking grizzly bears. It is one of the rare places left on earth where you take your true meaning amidst the beauty and dangers of the wild.